It's a huge honor to have a producer Boney Kapoor with us. His movie is coming up, Tevar, and he is very excited about the film. His brother Sanjay Kapoor and son Arjun Kapoor have told us that it's very rarely that he has participated in the on-hand job of a producer, and that has happened for the first time as far as Tevar is concerned. So first of all, huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama. And this is this true that this is the first film that you've really just participated in a huge way in terms of being on the ground?
Perhaps they don't have memory of me doing Wo Saat Din, Hum Panch, Mr. India, Roop Ki Rani, Choro Ka Raja, and several other films which I was hands-on. Well, there were a few films where when I was doing multiple projects, so I couldn't have been on location for every film.
Right.
But Wanted, I was there almost all the time. But this film, I've been on location, on recce, on post. I mean, every aspect of this film, I have been there as a guardian to encourage Amit, to encourage Sanjay, to encourage Arjun, to be supportive of them, Sonakshi, Manoj Bajpayee, the entire technical crew, Lakshman. We've had a fun time doing this film, and it was good to see them from a distance.
Apparently, you also participated in the recce, and I think the terrace of Arjun's home was searched by you, where the Superman song takes place.
Well, you see, we all were together, and since it's a difficult location, I thought that particular terrace would be more appropriate because the view of Taj from that terrace was excellent. And since we all were together, and I took the lead of walking the step first, that's it. We were all into it together, not that I spotted it. It was there for everybody to see. I just gave him the confidence, yes, it's possible and we'll shoot from here.
Sir, Boney Kapoor has been known for grandeur as far as production value is concerned, be it Prem, be it Roop Ki Rani, Choro Ka Raja, be it Mr. India. You've always just come up with grandeur ideas, and maybe many would say that you've been path-breaking in terms of how to just raise the level of production as far as any of the Hindi movies concerned. Roop Ki Rani, Choro Ka Raja, I still remember it was the costliest film made till that point of time. So what is it about risk taking that comes to you?
The endeavor has always been to do something out of the world, or go out of the way to do something, to present something in a different way. And obviously when you do something different, when you aspire to do something big and different, so they tend to look colossal. They look bigger than what the visuals of other films are. It is just, and I'm sure every filmmaker has that desire. Maybe I have succeeded, maybe in putting across such colossus more often than what normally is seen. I've always had this in mind that I should do something which stands out. Besides, you see, I have grown up in an environment where my father, he joined the industry being an assistant to K. Asif. So hearing the tales of K. Asif and the opulence of Mughal-e-Azam, on the other side I was very close to Raj Kapoor.
Right.
So I used to spend, many evenings with him, going up to early morning and hear all his ways of shooting films, making films, realizing what he dreamt of, seeing his films. So I've grown up basically hearing all these things. So obviously I imbibed all these qualities, and somewhere in my own way I've attempted to reach a level which I thought would match up to the things that I heard about these filmmakers. So be it Pukar when I shot in Alaska, be it Roop Ki Rani, be it Mr. India, like Hum Panch was not of opulence, but it was again locations which created that environment. That
Prem as well.
Prem, of course, we shot in almost about 30 locations, right from Andaman Nicobar to Sri Lanka to Seattle in US. My way of looking at doing a film is give the director what he sees, what he visualizes. At times I've got a little carried away, but the intention has always been to give him all what he desires. I need to be convinced myself this is what would be good for the film. So I do my best, and perhaps that seed is there in me right from my childhood days after hearing the tales of Raj Kapoor and K. Asif, and I continue doing films in the same spirit and having the same intent in mind. Likewise in this film, the situation was the introduction song of Sonakshi. So I wanted that to look bigger than the biggest, and present her in a form when
1100 crew members were present.
Almost about 1100, and we lit up the entire place in a way, became a stunning visual, which was a way beyond a normal film's budget, but I thought this is something which will lend a lot more credibility to her introduction.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.